What's up, everybody? Archery Customs, and we're finally here. Part 2 of the crossbow launcher.
Part two.
Man, it took forever. I broke so much stuff trying to build this. But hey, it's finally here. It's functional. I've shot it like 50 times. Yeah, I've shot it quite a bit. But before we shoot it, let me show you some features. So, stock trigger, same as the last build. If you want to see part 1, link in the description. But same as the last build, I chopped off a few inches of it, made it shorter, and as you can see, it's no longer compound. Yeah, compound it's so tricky trying to get the cams to work the way you want them to, especially in a small space. But all in all, recurve limbs work fine. So these limbs actually come off of a very cheap 20-pound bow you can buy from like Academy Sports, maybe Dick's. But when you chop them off, make them shorter, and you bring them closer together, it increases the draw weight. So the draw weight on this thing is 100 pounds. It's nice, and it works really good. It's not really fast, but it can move a lot of weight, and that's the key. So when you have this, you have the outer barrel, and then you have the inner piece, you know, same thing as last time, except for now, the rod is aluminum instead of PVC. The PVC rod before weighed 200 grams, and that was my main issue. It was too heavy. This right here weighs 18 grams, so it's actually the weight of an arrow, so it'll move the speed of an arrow. That way you can put BBs in and shoot them how you want. Or, I mean, really you can put anything in it, but it's designed to shoot airsoft BBs. And believe it or not, the field, airsoft field, actually will let me use it on the field. I got some gameplay in the next video, probably. But yeah, one closer thing. These are rubber stops, and everything's crimped in so it won't move. Very nice. I had a problem with the arrow cutting the string in half, that's not safe at all. But yeah, cock it back, let's shoot it, get some BBs. Cocking's pretty easy, chest cock, you know, my favorite. See it cocked. I recommend using face protection when you use this. So lovely. I mean, it's just, it works so great. One more towards the camera. Let's see. One more. Get a first person. Yeah, they come out pretty fast. You know, I can't really chrono it because it's so many BBs, but I would assume they're shooting 250 FPS. Depends on the weight of the BB, how many BBs, you know, that kind of thing. But it works great. It's like a real life shotgun. And you can put anything in it, really. Whatever fits down the barrel to shoot. It's just, if you put anything else, it probably won't be safe. Alright, let's get a target. Alright guys, so we got our target, 1/4 inch foam. Let's see if it goes through. So no, it didn't. Just divots. So it's safe. I mean, realistically, it's safe to use for airsoft. Let's get one more with fewer BBs. Maybe we can get one to go through. put a couple heavy BBs. Point blank too. I'll look away. Nope. So good, it's safe.
You ready?
You ready? I go. Ow, ow, ow. At least it's safe. Alright guys, first person distance test, let's see, about 50 feet from this first pole. Let's just see if I can reach that far. Get a little bit of an angle. Yeah, so, I mean, realistically, they go about 100 feet. Alright, distance test number 2. Second pole, 100 feet, about 30-degree angle. Yeah, so 80 feet max. That's it, guys, for today. So, like, subscribe, comment, whatever, more videos coming. Yeah. Thanks, and goodbye now. Oh, drop.
Well, that was impossible.